Use mobile as a wireless speaker. Want to turn your phone into a wireless speaker for your PC or laptop? In this video, I'll show you how to use your mobile as a wireless speaker using a powerful tool called AudioRelay. Completely free and super easy to set up AudioRelay lets you stream audio from your computer directly to your phone, over Wi-Fi or even USB. You can enjoy high-quality sound on your mobile device. Go to the official AudioRelay website and download the desktop app for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Head to the Google Play Store, search for AudioRelay, and install the app on your Android device. Make sure your PC and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi for smooth audio streaming. Open the AudioRelay app on your computer and phone. Your devices should detect each other automatically or connect to IP address tap to connect. Your phone is now a wireless speaker. Want lower latency or have a poor Wi-Fi signal? Try connecting your phone via USB and enable USB debugging. It works like a charm. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.